Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. It does seem like we're bouncing off that 27-cent level right here. The stochastic looks like it might go on the upside, and then on the reverse MACD, we are creating these weaker bullish candles, which actually means stronger. Sorry, we are creating weaker bearish movement, which indicates stronger bullish momentum. So I told you guys that in my last video or two that right now at the 30 price point, if you guys wanted to play that short term, it would have been a really good time to buy right there, which would have been around the peaks of 26, lows of like 24 cents, right? So it would have been a good idea to buy. So far right now, the 30-minute is actually moving up. The hour just crossed on the downside of the MACD, which basically means bullish momentum. The 4-hour, again, creating weaker signs of bearish momentum, so it might actually touch this 40 and then bounce right back up to that 30-cent level. And then again, the 1 day, the 1 day is still pretty bearish, but as far as right now, we can't really say that it's headed back up. We need to actually retest that like 30-cent level and then break it to the upside to actually see 40 cents. As of right now, if you guys bought when I told you guys to, like down here, then I would recommend you guys just kind of hold it to the 30-cent level and then just kind of wait and see what it actually does from there. If you're actually holding, if you're only buying this for a swing trade or like a day trade, if you're actually holding this to average down or average up on your DogeCoin price and basically just buy more, just hold, right? I mean, if you think it's gonna go even higher, just hold. At least you bought in right here and you averaged down or averaged up on your price, right? But that 30 price point is gonna be very important. So I'll see you guys later.